If you ever get a chance, look at Spawn Core. Check us out on the web. Basically, we try to help people find jobs after trying to learn some things, and those things hopefully get them to where they need to go to. We also have volunteer programs. If you want to volunteer, help do some of these videos, or come out to the park and feed the homeless, we have that going on as well. There's Spawn Core. Um, we're also out on Facebook, Twitter, G Plus, and LinkedIn. Don't forget to get that GitHub account. You need a GitHub. Learn Git and GitHub without any code. You gotta learn Git. You gotta have Git. Git is like what runs the whole thing in all programming and software engineering. So before we begin, I have to give a shameless plug to my son.
Yo, here. Look me up at the One Kid, THA1K1D. New song out right now. It's called Ride Out. Just check it out. Let me know what you think.
You got that? Say that again. What was that? What was the YouTube channel?
The One Kid, THA1K1D space BWA.
BWA. Why the BWA?
Baltimore, just Washington. Yeah, Baltimore, Washington.
Okay, I thought it was BWI, but it's all good. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
It's a label in the works right now.
All right. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do is we're going to make a thing called arrays, okay? So, it starts out like this. Package, okay, main. Got to have that package main. You're going to import your format feature, okay? Then you want to do a function. You see that main? See? Package main, function main. See it again. Just get used to it. We're going to open up the program. Okay? We're going to do var. And we're going to say some numbers. Okay? Then we're going to do the array. Now, see, the thing is, you see why I'm putting this number in there? Okay? That means I'm going to have two things in an array. Now, let me explain what an array is. An array is something that you have to hold some things. So, like, if you want to hold some variables and just refer to, like, one thing, it'll let you refer back to without typing out a whole bunch of crap. So, needless to say, we're using an array to store these variables. So, that's what it means. All right. Then you need to do, watch this, some numbers. And yeah, I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna copy this because I'm not gonna keep typing that every time. So we're gonna do this, Control V, okay. Then we're gonna put it as the first element. Now see where it says 0 there? The reason why it says 0 is because that's gonna hold the first place in the array. So like, hypothetically speaking, if I said like 1, 2, 3, 4. The first element will be 1, but computers always think in zeros. So the first real element of the array will be 0, then that will be 1, then that will be 2, then that will be 3, then that will be 4. And so the total of elements inside the array would be 5. But in this simple case, we're just going to work with 2 elements of an array. So we're going to say right here, we're going to say hello, Corey. All right, then we're going to do some more numbers, okay? But we're going to do a element, the second element in the array, and we're going to say you are the coolest and sexiest guy alive.
Hey man, did you park the truck?
What do you mean?
Man, I left the truck on the neighbor's lawn. You ain't parked the truck?
No, I ain't parked the truck there, man. Why is my neighbor's lawn?
There was no space in front of our house.
I'm sorry about that, y'all. I can't edit that out because I don't know how to edit right now. I'm kind of tired, so we're just going to let that stay there. But anyways, getting back. So now we're going to do format dot print line. Okay.
You better park your truck. They might tow it.
I'll get it later, so chill out. All right, so format print line. All right, print line. What is wrong with my stuff? My computer is jumping. I don't know why it's jumping. Maybe because it's happy. But anyways, we're gonna do this, and we're gonna do some numbers. Okay. The reason why I also like to copy and paste in front of you guys so you can see these things is so you can see where I'm getting these informations from. So the first element of this sum numbers array is equal to hello Corey. Okay. Then if I do a comma, as you saw in the previous videos, when you do a comma, it's just basically telling the program that there's an extra argument, a comment, an extra something that they want to add. So then we're going to do that, and then we're going to do 1, which is just going to say, hello Corey, you are the coolest and sexiest guy alive. Get it? So now we're going to go ahead and close these parentheses, and then we're going to do this again, fmt dot print line, okay, and then we're going to do, you guessed it, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do some more numbers, okay? All right, so what we expect to happen is that it's going to print out the whole thing. Now, the next thing what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to do something about prime numbers. And we're going to try to stick all those numbers into an array. So we're going to load up, like see how we did this before? That said some numbers 0, and then we said hello Corey, some numbers 1, and we did that. But what if I didn't want to type all that out each time? I could just do this. Like, how if I just said prime numbers, and I did colon equals, and then I open up for 6 places to be filled up with of integers. And then I go int, and then I open up a nice little small little program here, and I go, let's say 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. And then I said, print that out like this, right? And then I said, primes. And then I close the program. Now, what you can expect for it to say is, hello Corey, you are the coolest and sexiest guy alive. And then, hello Corey, again, and then that should be it. And then we should also see these prime numbers at the bottom. Oh, let's see. I must have spelled something wrong. Oh, there it is. See how that's spelled wrong? You gotta make sure you spell right. And then what is this? Prime numbers. There we go. So you see it says, hello Corey, you are the coolest and sexiest guy alive. And then the last one says, hello Corey, you are the coolest and sexiest guy alive. Because see how we're just printing off just straight? That means that elements 1 and 2, alias known as 0 and 1, are considered the full array. So it's printing off the full array, but if I want to break it down by elements, then these would be how I break it down by elements. And then if I just want to feed the whole prime numbers in, I could just say there's 6 numbers I want you to hold. Here they are, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and then FMT print line prime numbers. And my son had one more shameless plug for his self, and I wanted to put it in because his album's been doing very well. We're in Montgomery County, Maryland, and I'm watching a lot of people listen to his plugs and his songs, so I'm gonna give him one more plug. But what was the subscriber channel on YouTube again?
THA1K1D.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna speak up for him because he's probably far away. So it's what you said was THA1K1D. So is that like? Can you help me type that out real quick? Is that a THA1K1D? 1K, 1D, like that.
One kid, BW.
You know what? Let's just look and see what it looks like. So if we go to YouTube and let's see if we did a search of THA 1K 1D, right? What happens? That's you right there, right?
Lovato.
That one?
That's the one.
Pretty cool. Hopefully we can see what that's about. Maybe you can play that out and then we can hear it out. But I can't do it on this video, but I appreciate everyone watching. Have a nice day.